In this video, I want to show you how you can fix the Black Ops 7 secure boot not enabled. So if you search for system information and you open up the system information, in here you should see one called secure boot state. And if this is off, that means you have not enabled it. Now to enable this, what you want to do is you want to shut down your PC. And when you restart it, when you're starting up the PC, you want to press either the delete button, F2, F10 or F12, it depends on what your PC is. And when you do that, you're gonna come into the BIOS settings. In there will be one called Secure Boot, and you just wanna use that one and start it up. Now after this, your Black Ops 7 shouldn't get this error anymore, and if for some reason it still does, what you can do is just right click on it. So this is just some random game. Head over to the properties, compatibility, and then activate these two, apply and OK, and then it should run. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.